Some Western countries' travel restrictions against Chinese tourist arrivals have more to do with the political pressure in the United States than based on medical facts. That is according to U.S. expert on China, William Jons, the Washington Bureau Chief of Executive Intelligence Review.
And you notice that the United States had really move on this and started beating the drums on this in order to get other countries to come on board. And even countries that had decided not to have such restrictions on Chinese coming into their country have now shifted. But that, to a large extent, I think, has more to do with the political pressure of the United States and the kind of say that the anti-China crowd in the Western elites, more so than the medical facts on the ground, is the problem that you're going to be facing. The attempts to use the health situation as a political tool against China. This has been done by the Western countries, most particularly by the United States, and it's really uncalled for.
Johns also says China's optimized COVID response is both economically and also health-wise.
I think that's China has been very wise in the decisions it's been making. I think is also being done in a very tempered and moderate manner. Have caused a lot of devastation in many countries, including the United States. We had over 1 million people who died. China took it seriously. They took rigorous measures to try and stop it. I think it was effective in saving people's lives. And I think at this point they realize that their balance has been maintaining to maintain economic growth, but at the same time to protect their people.